Hey guys, it's Sandra from Inspired Keys. In today's video, I'm going to critique Rachel's playing of He Is My Everything. Now, Rachel is an Inspired Keys Academy member, and as a member, you could submit recordings of your playing and get critiques so that you have an avenue to improve in your playing. If you want to find out more about joining the Inspired Keys Academy, just head over to inspiredkeys.com/join. So now let's go ahead and listen to what Rachel played. Okay, so what I heard was there is nothing really wrong with that. In fact, it's really good that she had a sense of the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, so that people can sing, He is my everything, He is my, and that's all good. But then at all, so I do believe that the chord is actually supposed to be an A major chord, chord 5 of D major. So I would think that if the F sharp was replaced with an E, it'd be a little bit more cohesive, like it would sound a lot better in terms of like matching the chord 5. Now what I might do differently, instead of just playing a normal He is my all, which is kind of boring, I'll do a 4-3 suspension. So the 4 would be the D, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's a 4, and then the suspension will resolve down to the C sharp. So I'll do He is my all, He is my, and so forth. So let's continue with what Rachel plays. So at this point it's He is my everything, both great and small. Okay, wait, hang on. What did Rachel play again? Oh, right. He is my everything, both great. So this is what Rachel played. Rachel played this, and I think it sounds okay, but that itself is actually a clash. So if you don't want too much of a clashy sound, you can again resolve the 2 down to the 1. So both great and small. So if it's like a very momentary thing, that's okay, but if it's too much of it, it might be a little bit clashy, so I might do just maybe 2 of it and then resolve the last one down to this. Both great and small. So that's what I'll do there. Let's carry on. Okay, so I'm hearing the right, and then there's a little gap. So make sure to practice your fills and your in-betweens such that they're able to flow into the next bit. So make sure it's really nice and flowy and fluent. So that's where we have to put in the hard work practicing at home. So I'm hearing, so that's a nice scaling going up figuration to join to the next section. So another way that's really classic is, you know, like the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 walk down. So that's another option that you could choose. So that there's a little gap there, so make sure not to have that gap. So make sure you practice it so that it's really smooth, like, yep. So once again, it's a matter of practicing and making sure everything flows smoothly. Nice. I thought that was a pretty nice and simple way to finish. So So this was the chord that Rachel was using, and it sounds pretty nice. Now I'm going to have a go with playing through this song. My version seems to be a bit different, and I'm not quite sure if I can find the version that you guys sing in your church, Rachel, but here is my attempt at how I would play He Is My Everything. At first I'm going to be using your riff, and then I will be changing the accompaniment pattern a little bit. He is my everything, He is my all, He is my everything, He is great and small, He gave His life for me, made everything new, He is my everything. Now how about you? Like honey in the rock, sweet honey in the rock, like honey in the rock, sweet honey in the rock, like honey in the rock, sweet honey in the rock. Oh, He tastes like honey in the rock. He is my everything, He is my all, He is my everything, both great and small. He gave His life for me, made everything new. He is my everything. Now how about you? Thanks so much, Rachel, for being so brave in submitting your recording. Now, if you would also like to have your playing critiqued, then be sure to check out the Inspired Keys Academy at inspiredkeys.com/join, and I can critique your video just like I did in this video. If this video helped at all and you learned something from my critiquing of Rachel's playing, then be sure to give it a like, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Take care and God bless.